Hey gang, welcome back to the Buyers Only Realty YouTube channel and Dwight's Famous Windshield Tours. Today we're back out at Sawmill Branch in Palm Coast down here just south of the St. Johns County, Flagler County line, and we're at the Freedom community here at Sawmill Branch. It's a 55+ community and it's going to be a very cool space, and it's all going to be part of course, Sawmill Branch, which you've already seen our other videos on that. So anyway, come on along. I want to show you guys what we got going on down here. And before we get going, I want to show you, this is US 1. At the entrance to the community, there's a big traffic circle, and they've got a couple along US 1 down here. And this, of course, is the entry into Sawmill Branch, the Freedom section, if you will. And we're just south of, and you can't see it in the video, but we're just south of the interstate access right there at the Flagler St. Johns County line. So anyway, let's go get in the Buyers Only mobile and give you guys a little look-see in this place. All right, gang, as we move into the community, you can see that they got lots of stuff laying around. They're just built the models. They're getting the place all tuned up there. That's the amenity center right in front of us. There's a swimming pool, looks like pickleball courts and all kind of cool stuff going in, but it's still way under construction. So we're gonna take a right here, and we'll get out and check out the amenity center. I'll show you where the pool's located here in just a moment, but this is gonna be their model center. I'm not 100% sure of all the different models. I know one of them is a Dalton, and to be honest with you, it's all I know right now, but I'll make sure in the video I'll put down all the different floor plans and stuff that you're gonna be able to come here and look at. So anyway, again, not much to see right now other than some what looks like is gonna be a really nice community. Home sites backing up to, looks like preserve. Let me turn you around over here. These home sites over here are gonna back up to water. So there's gonna be a lot of variety in here. So it's gonna be a pretty cool community. So Sharon and I do appreciate you guys riding along with us. If we can help you, we'd love to educate you on new homes here in our area, get you into that perfect place. Let's see, you can see, oh, look at that. They've already got some homes they're starting. Those are form boards for concrete. So they've already got some homes they're starting on these preserve lots. And you know what? That would be a great time to go and see what the backyards might look like and the sizes. So come on along with that. All right, gang. Over here, we're at the back end of where these form boards are, and you can see all the different houses are getting ready to start along the road here. But you can kind of see the backyards here. Pretty decent sized backyards. Most of them, you got a couple that maybe a little shorter way out there, and the one I'm standing in is a little shorter. So not unusable, but fairly short. These guys though are pretty good. So it just depends on the house they put on the lot too. So no big deal. I just want to kind of give you guys a general overview of that. Again, there's going to be plenty more. As you can see, there is so much more to be built in here. It's insane. All right, gang, as we continue to drive around, we're going to stop at another lot. We're just not going to drive around empty lots. We're going to stop at another lot across from the amenity center that's on water. And what I'll do is I'll get a hold of the site agents that'll be in here, and we'll get some lot sizes, and I'll put it in the video for you guys. So that's sometimes better than me just estimating. All right, so let's look at a water lot real quick. All right, gang, we're on the street that's opposite of the back of the amenity center there. There's water on the other side there as well between those lots and the amenity center. Sorry about the wind out here. But these lots here are on water, so pretty dang nice. Again, there's gonna be houses over there, but they're gonna be pretty far away, so looking in someone's backyard I don't think is gonna be an issue. Then you got a few on the long end of the lake down there, and I'm sure on the other side as well. But I'll make sure I get the kind of the lot sizes, give you guys some good ideas. I'll put it in the video there, so when we edit her down. But anyway, let's go look at that amenity center. I think that's gonna be super cool. All right, gang, last but not least, the amenity center. Of course, just under construction right now. I'll get all the pertinence on it as to what's gonna be in it, like fitness rooms and different things like that, pickleball versus whatever round ball sports they'll have here, shuffleboard, or like bocce ball. A lot of new places are doing bocce balls. So anyway, but I want to show you the pool space. We won't walk in these other areas that are just still under construction, and you really can't tell anything about them. But I want to show you the pool space. That's for the most part done, other than landscaping and finalization of the pool, putting the top coat and everything on. But look at the pool space, huh? It's going to be pretty cool, right on that water. Cool place to hang out in the afternoons, that's for sure. So anyway, community mailbox is over there. So just wanted to give you guys a general look-see. As they move along on this project, we'll do update videos and stuff, and we'll make sure you guys stay tuned up on it, okay? All right, gang, thanks for watching the For Buyers Only Realty YouTube channel. Couldn't get it out. And Dwight's famous windshield tours. Again, the Freedom community. Freedom is the 55 plus community, and they're putting one here in Sawmill Branch down in Palm Coast. So anyways, wanted to give you guys a first-hand look at what's going on. It's they're building the models, of course, and the pool space and everything. So as we move along on that project, we'll get you guys further and further videos and stuff. So anyway, we do appreciate you guys. Check out our website, Welcome Home St. John's. Call us, text us with questions, email. We love helping folks get in the new homes and guiding the process and educating you along the way. So our goal is friendship and happy endings. So anyway, hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks.